Hello everyone, welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Children, I hope you have settled with literacy skill book. So today which content we are going to learn, that is from phonics reader. Okay, so take your phonics reader and come to page number 1 to 12. So children, I hope you have opened page number 1 to 12. Okay, so what is the content? Content number 3, cane and the cake. Okay, but before, if you will see the heading long A sound, माने if you will see this paragraph, if you will see this story, in that long A sounds words are there. Okay, so those words we are going to read now, learn now. Content number 3, which is from phonics reader, cane and the cake. Now children, if you will see in this picture, this boy is there. Okay, so what is the name of this boy? His name is Cane. What? K-A-N-E, Cane. Okay. So first sentence is, my name is Cane. What he is saying? He is introducing himself. He is introducing himself. He is saying, my name is Cane. मेरा नाम जो है वो क्या है? Cane है. Okay. Come to page number 1313. See what he is doing in this picture. He is playing something, right? So what is this? What we call to this? Yes, skate. Very good. I like to skate. He is saying his hobby. Okay. I like to skate. See, my name is Cane. My name is Cane. I like to skate. A sound है ना, long A sound. S-K-A-T-E, skate. हमें ऐसे बोलना है क्या? skate, skate? No. I like to skate. मुझे skating खेलना बहुत पसंद है. ऐसे वो बोल रहा है. Now come to page number 14. Sometimes I like to bake. B-A-K-E, bake, which is long A sound. Bake माने सेकना. What? Bake माने सेकना. Now what he is baking? We'll see that. Sometimes I like to bake. Bake. It is bake. Okay. Next. Now see children, in this picture, can you see this woman? Okay, and this is Cane. So what he is saying, Mom and I baked a cake. ये जो Cane है ना, उसकी ये मम्मा है. So what he is saying, Mom and I, मेरी जो मम्मी है, मेरी जो मदर है, मम्मी एंड मैंने क्या किया है? एक केक बेक किया है, एक केक बनाया है. Mom and I baked a cake. C-A-K-E, cake, long A sound. Mom and I baked a cake. Next, I take a big chunk of the cake. What he has done? Can you see this cake? उसने क्या किया? उस केक का एक छोटा सा टुकड़ा लिया और उसने वो खा लिया. And he is saying so yummy. Can you see this? It is so yummy. Then he is saying, I take a big chunk of the cake. मैंने बड़ा सा एक टुकड़ा लिया केक का और वो खा लिया. चंक माने टुकड़ा. What? चंक माने केक का टुकड़ा. Okay children. Next. I ate the cake. If you will see here, this is a long A sound. I ate the cake. Yeah, what he is saying? He is so happy after eating the cake. So he is saying, yeah, yes. मैंने ate माने खा लेना. तो मैंने जो केक है वो खा लिया है. I ate the cake. Now I have an empty plate. वो क्या बोल रहा है? मैंने पूरा केक खा लिया है. अगर आप अभी देखते हो तो मेरा जो प्लेट है वो क्या है, अभी एम्प्टी हो गया है. नाउ आई हैव एन एम्प्टी plate. Plate is a long A sound. And children, do you know why here in this sentence an is used? Because how many vowels are there? 5 vowels. Those are A, E, I, O, U. And before vowels, what we use? An article. है ना? So here an empty, it is there. Now I have an empty plate. Okay, now come to page number 1 to 12. Take your pencil. Okay, now children see, long A sound, what we'll do, whichever long A sound is there, wherever, we are going to underline there. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to read this. Okay, say cane and the cake. Long A sound. Long A sound. Cane and the cake. Okay, so children, what we'll do, okay, हमें जब सेंटेंस पढ़ना है हम उसके टुकड़े करके पढ़ेंगे ना, so that will be easy for you. And those words are A sound, we are going to circle it. Okay, so circle it. Cane and the cake. Say, my name is Cane. ये तो पूरा ही पढ़ना है because it is easy, right? My name is Cane. So come to page number 1313. I like to skate. Children, first of all, give underline to full sentence and circle it. Circle to the skate because skate word is a long A sound and this is short sentence, no? So you have to read this full sentence. Okay, I like to skate. Say it loudly and clearly. I like to skate. Next page. Sometimes, underline below sometimes. Sometimes I like to bake. Sometimes I like to bake. B-A-K-E, bake is a long A sound, so circle it. Repeat after me. Sometimes I like to bake. One more time. Sometimes I like to bake. Next page. Say, Mum and I baked a cake. Mum and I baked a cake. Baked a cake. Cake is a long A sound. Mum and I baked a cake. Now next page. Have you opened? Okay. I take a big chunk of the cake. I take a big chunk of the cake. C-A-K-E. Cake is a long A sound. Okay. Say one more time. I take a big chunk of the cake. Yum. Now next page. Now children, come to page number 18. Now I have an empty plate. So first of all, give underline below now. Now I have an empty plate. Now I have an empty plate. So plate will be a long a sound. Okay children, one more time. Now I have an empty plate. Okay, so this content we have completed over here. Yes children, now we are going to learn one more new content, one more paragraph we are going to read. So for that, come to page number 1919. Now all of you look at to the board, keep your pencil and eraser aside. Look at to the board. See, what is the heading? Long double E and double O sounds. Long double E and double O sounds. Content number 4, Addie at the zoo. Content number 4, Addie at the zoo. Okay, now children, in this picture what you can see? In this picture you can see this one woman and this is a boy, है ना? So it is looking like a zoo, right? Zoo माने जिसको हम लोग प्राणी संग्रहालय बोलते हैं. Okay, Addie went to the zoo. Addie went to the zoo. Now children, can you see this boy? His name is Addie. What? His name is Addie. Now page number 20. Addie saw 3 deers and 3 cheetahs. Addie कहाँ पे गया है? प्राणी संग्रहालय में गया है ना? तो उसने वहाँ पे क्या देखा है? He saw 3 deers. उसने वहाँ पे 3 deers देखे हैं and 3 cheetahs. Children, if you will see on the first page, long E, long double E and double O sound. Addie. The name of the boy is Addie. Here if you will see, double E is there. So हम लोग अडी ऐसे बोलेंगे क्या? No. Addie and Z double O. Zoo. Okay. Long sound है ना वो. Next. Addie saw 3 deers and 3 cheetahs. If you will see in Addie, 3 deers, 3 cheetahs. Everywhere double E letter is there. Yes. So these are the words which has long double E sound. Next page. After 20, come to page number 21. Addie wanted to see a cuckoo bird. Children, can you see this? This is a bird, but the name of this bird is cuckoo bird. Addie को जो है ना cuckoo bird को देखना था. Addie wanted to see a cuckoo bird. Okay, next page. Mom said, ये जो है ना उसकी मम्मा है, किसकी? Addie की. Mom said, wait till you see a cuckoo bird. तुम रुको, जब तक कुक्कू बर्ड नहीं दिखता है तब तक विल वेट, हम लोग वेट करेंगे, तुम वेट करो. मम सेड वेट टिल यू सी अ कुक्कू बर्ड. ओके, नेक्स्ट. इफ यू विल सी इन दिस पिक्चर चिल्ड्रन, दिस बॉय माने एडी इज सिटिंग अंडर अ ट्री. एडी वेंट ऑफ टू स्लीप अंडर अ green tree in the zoo. Addie went off to sleep under a green tree in the zoo. In the zoo में Addie ने क्या किया? एक ट्री के नीचे वो सोने के लिए गया. Okay. Next. And then came a cuckoo bird. अगर आप पिक्चर में देखते हो, जैसे ही वो ट्री के नीचे गया सोने के लिए, वो वेट कर रहा था ना वहां पे कुक्कू बर्ड का, तो कुक्कू बर्ड क्या हुआ? वहां पे आ गया. एंड देन केम अ कुक्कू बर्ड. कैन यू सी हियर? यहाँ पे एक कुक्कू बर्ड आ गया, है ना। नेक्स्ट पेज, द कुक्कू सेड टू एडी, ओह ओह ओह। जो कुक्कू बर्ड है ना, उसने क्या किया, एडी को क्या बोला, ओह ओह ओह। नेक्स्ट, Yippee! He said Eddie. Eddie, he was so happy after watching the cuckoo bird. And cuckoo bird ने भी एडी को क्या किया, अपने आवाज से ओह 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 ऐसे बोला ना. So after that एडी was so happy. अगर आपको किसी बर्ड को देखना है या फिर किसी एनिमल को देखना है, उसके सामने जाके इफ यू वांट टू स्पीक और हियर समथिंग फ्रॉम दैट एनिमल और दैट बर्ड, after hearing his voice you become so happy na. So same way Eddie is happy after watching the cuckoo bird, after hearing the voice of cuckoo bird. Okay, now we are going to read. So for that come to page number 19. Okay, now children put your finger in your book. See, repeat after teacher. Long double E and double O sounds. Repeat after teacher. Long double E and double O sounds. Content number 4. Eddie at the zoo. Eddie at the zoo. Say, Eddie went to the zoo. Eddie went to the zoo. Children, we are going to give the underline. हमें सेंटेंसेस के टुकड़े करना है ना, फिर रीड करना है. देन ओनली इट विल बी इजी फॉर यू टू रीड इट, है ना. सो रीड इट. एडी वेंट टू द जू. ZOO zoo. ADEE Addy. Double E can you see here? And this is double O. ZOO. Then you have to circle there. Okay children. Now next page. Eddie saw 3 deers and 3 cheetahs. Eddie saw 3 deers and 3 cheetahs. Okay, so Eddie double E, THREE 3, DEERS deers. One more time, THREE 3, CHEE TAHS cheetahs. Eddie saw 3 deers and 3 cheetahs. Next page. Eddie wanted to see a cuckoo bird. Eddie wanted to see a cuckoo bird. Eddie wanted to see a cuckoo bird. Children, ADEE Eddie, SEEC, CUCKOO cuckoo. Okay, so if you will see in those words, double E and double O is there, है ना. Now come to next page. Have you opened? Yes. Mom said, wait till you see a a cuckoo bird. Mum said, wait till you see a cuckoo bird. Mum said, wait till you see a cuckoo bird. Okay, now SEEC, CUCK, double O, cuckoo. Okay, next page. Those both words, if you will see, in that double E and double O was there, right? Now come to page number 2323. Addie went off to sleep under a green tree in the zoo. Addie went off to sleep under a green tree in the zoo. Addie went off to sleep. Addie went off to sleep under a green tree in the zoo. Okay, ADEE, Addie. SLEEP, sleep. GREEN, green. TREE, tree. ZOO, zoo. So these are the words which has double E and double O sound. Yes. Now come to page number 24. Say, and then came a cuckoo bird. 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 We have to say cuckoo. The sound is cuckoo. Okay. And then came a cuckoo bird. Okay. So in this, children, CUCKOO, cuckoo. Okay. This is the double O sound word. Now come to page number 2525. The cuckoo said to Addie, oh, oh, oh. The cuckoo said to Addie, oh, oh, oh. CUCK, double O, cuckoo. ADEE, Addie. Double O, double O, double O, O. Okay, come to page number 2626. Yes. Yippee, said Addie. Yippee, said Addie. Okay, children, if you will see, YIPPE yippee, P जो है, these are the double E sound word which has long sound, and in ADEE, in this name also double E long sound is there. So here we are going to circle, and here also. Okay. Yes. So children, I hope you understand our today's content, which is from phonics reader. Yes, from that we have learnt content number 3, which is long A sound, can and the cake. Number 4, long double E and double O sounds, Addie at the zoo. Children, I hope you understand these two contents. There are some more content which we are going to learn to the next session. Okay, so we are concluding over here. Till then, take care. Thank you.